LOBO has just received a major upgrade to version 7, and I'm really excited to show you new features in the mobile version. The first thing that you will notice when you open LOBO on your smartphone is that you find this logo of your company right on the login page, just to be sure that you're not working for the wrong company. But let's start from the very beginning. I open my web browser, go to the LOBO website, log in with my credentials, and set myself ready. Next, I change to my jobs. And what you will see here is that as soon as you start scrolling down, the address bar right here at the top disappears whenever you scroll down. This gives you more space on the screen to work with. Well, if you really like this full screen mode, what you can do is add a LOBO WebApp to your desktop. You can do so by clicking in Google Chrome at Options and add to the home screen. You will be asked for a name. I click Add. And what you can find now is a new icon. And as soon as you open LOBO via this icon, you can see that the app now works in full screen mode all the time. Sadly, this feature has some glitches on iPhone, so it only works smoothly on Android. Let's move on. I will switch to my jobs again and choose SEM stop. And as you know, you can mark this stop as visited. What's new here is that as soon as you untoggle this label, you will be asked if you really want to delete this timestamp. So you see, we toggled this at almost 4 o'clock. And yes, I want to delete this. So the check mark disappears. And as soon as I re-enable it, you will see new time here. Next, I want to present you a real highlight. From now on, you can capture signatures directly from the browser. Tap on this icon, the orientation automatically switches to landscape. I can take my signature here and make a smiley. This all works from browser, and as soon as I click on this OK button, this switches back to the portrait mode and the signature is uploaded. So I will reload and you see signature is already here. So this all worked from the browser directly. There are no more dependencies on native apps. It's really cool. Maybe just a short note on the iPhone. It works pretty much the same, just that you can't lock the screen orientation technically. So I would recommend that you switch to the landscape mode manually before you take a signature. Take the signature, save it, and then go back. What's next? This stayed the same. You can just enter the person who has signed. But next, there's again a new feature, a really cool feature, the option to take and or upload images that are linked to the stop. So I click on this icon, and what you can see here, I can choose a file. What I'm gonna do is I choose to take a new one with the camera. So this nice little picture of this awesome company. And you see I have the option to choose this image. I click OK. So this is now taken to my phone and resized directly in the client. So there's no upload. There was no upload at the moment. All this happens on the phone to save data volume. You could even preview this result on this preview button, but we skipped that. I simply click upload and you see again that the image was just uploaded. Instead of taking a new picture, you of course just can select one that's stored in your gallery. The query comments didn't change at all, so you can take a comment. Well, and last but not least, this navigation button is now linked to the routing type of the job. So this is a bicycle-based routing job, so this link will open your preferred navigation app with bike routing enabled. For example, if the routing option of this job is based on the car routing, this link will open the car routing directly. No need anymore to change it from bike to car. Two more things. First, you can delete photos taken with the camera. You see you have here the delete option. And as soon as you click on the camera icon, you again have the option to either capture or select an image to be uploaded. I will cancel this now. And the second thing, if I switch to the job details, I can now access read-only any of the information taken before by just clicking on these labels. So that's a nice way of checking the information you have taken in a read-only mode. So that's pretty much it. I really hope you'll like the new features in a mobile version. Thank you for watching. Bye.